Hello kids, how are you? You all are good? Okay. So kids, I'm your Swati ma'am and you all are waiting for me now because you all wants to learn new activity from your Swati ma'am. Very good. So kids, today also your Swati ma'am bring one very interesting activity for you. Okay, so today we are doing one new activity or our activity name is play with dough. Okay kids, so you want to learn new activity? Yes? Okay, so come with me, we will start our activity. So kids, for this activity you have to collect some things. Okay, so kids, I am using here colorful clay. If you don't have clay, then you can use wheat flour or all purpose flour. Okay, then other thing, you have one scale, you have to collect one roller. Okay, and kids, take one glass or one bowl to cut a circle. Okay kids, so let's begin the activity. So kids, I am making one ice cream from dough. So first you have to make one ice cream picture on white paper. Okay kids, now I am taking red color dough. Kids, you take color from your choice. So take dough and roll it like this. Roll it. Okay. Now cut it from scale. Okay, and make cone shape. Okay. Like this and remove extra dough. Now take out this dough slowly and paste it on your white paper like this. Okay kids, now I am taking other color. So I am taking here pink color and roll it in your palms like this and press it like this. Okay, and keep it here. Now I am taking green color. Okay, again I am rolling it and pressing it like this and keeping here. Okay, now I need one more color, so I am taking here yellow color. Again the same process. Rolling. Okay, press it and keeping here. Okay, and at the last, for designing, you can take one scale and make slant lines. Just rub it, don't cut it, like this and like this. Then again just rub the scale on the dough. Okay kids, what is this? This is our ice cream. It is so colorful, na kids? Bye kids, now I am making grapes. So are you ready? Okay. Now for grapes kids, I am taking this black dough. Okay, if you want to make green grapes, then you can take green dough. Okay, so I am taking small part of dough, rolling in my hands, make one small ball, press it and start from the first circle like this. Okay, then again I am taking dough, same process, repeat it, press it, keeping here. Okay, okay, so I am making black grapes of bunch like this. Now again same process, join kids? Say yes or no. Yes. Very good. So kids, you can also do this activity at your home with different colors. Okay. Whatever colors you want, you can use colors. Your choice. Now our wraps is ready. Now I am taking green color. Take it and roll it in your hands. Okay. Press it like this. Okay. Now again I am taking little bit more green color and rolling in my hand. Okay. And pressing it like this. Okay kids, so our grapes bunch is ready. Do you like it kids? So kids, I hope you all like this activity. Kids, you can also make many things from colorful dough. Okay, and I know you all love to play with dough. So kids, I am giving you some example. What things you can make from dough? Like butterfly, car, house, kite, apple. Okay kids, so these are some things you can make from colorful dough. So kids, enjoy this activity and do this at your home. Bye. Take care.